the 2G case. The 2G Special Court has now accepted the CBI's charge sheet against companies Essar and Loop Telecom. The court has summoned all 8 accused, including the Ruiyas and the Khaitans, on the 27th of January.
The promoters of Loop Telecom and Essar Tele are accused of cheating and criminal conspiracy. Arunima joining us live from the Patiala House Court. Arunima, there are 8 people who are accused, isn't it? Including the owners of these companies.
Well, the owners have not been named specifically, but of course Anshuman Ruiya, Ravi Ruiya, the senior level officers of Essar Telecom, also part of the Ruiya family, have been named for cheating and criminal conspiracy, and now the summons have been issued for 27th. What does this really mean? We have seen in the past that every time the 2G court has issued summons for accused in this particular case, the day they have been summoned, it has ended in the day where they were sent to Tihar jail in judicial custody. So obviously apprehensions are running very high. We are also hearing that the legal team of Essar and Loop will be considering whether to move for anticipatory bail. They have 1 month's time. It remains to be seen, because otherwise on 27th there is a possibility that warrants can be issued for them. They'll have to answer then, convince the court as to why they should not be arrested and sent to judicial custody. Right. Because if that happens, they will join various other 2G accused, including Raja, in Tihar jail. So
prospects of jail for them. But Arunima, this was a charge sheet that was a bit controversial, because Prevention of Corruption Act charges were not leveled against these individuals. Today's developments, do they mean that they will in fact be tried by the 2G court and not by a magistrate?
Well, that's right. In fact, Essar should be breathing a huge sigh of relief, because O.P. Saini, Special Judge O.P. Saini, in spite of a lot of corporate rumors that were doing the rounds, that possibly Special Judge O.P. Saini on his own will slap prevention of corruption charges against the 8 accused, that has not happened. He has made it very clear that under the existing charges of 120B and 420, which is criminal conspiracy and cheating, all 8 accused will be tried by the 2G court itself. He has not referred this case to Metropolitan Magistrate. You know, this is a break from what the CRPC has suggested, but that break has been justified because the Supreme Court has designated Special Judge O.P. Saini as the judge who's supposed to hear all cases related to 2G scam. Essar Group was trying very hard to show that as per 2G charge sheet, they have not been named in the 2G scam, but that is not the position that O.P. Saini has taken. It remains to be seen how Essar and Loop managed to save themselves. From here on, they will have to answer the court on the 27th of January.